There's an ejector seat.
Yeah. Yeah, shit.
Got, that's a Mazda, not an Alfa. Insane. Nah, he got the license plate in there.
Bracket cars, we need you to the lanes, please. Bracket cars to the lanes. Route 2. Oh, bracket, we need you to the lanes, please.
That's a left-hand drive.
That's all.
Look at that TL. Look at that TL with the headlights.
We need driver of car number 4.
It's 2000.
You're in the state lane. You don't move it immediately, it's going to be towed. 407, you need to be with your vehicle. If you're not there, we're going to tow it if you're not there.
Bro, there's just a bunch of Tucsons. Got a nice Porsche.
Leonardo will take on Minkowski. Lexus. Take on Civic. Bracket cars, you need to be in the lane. Bracket cars, we need you in the lane, please, for second round. Bracket cars in the lane, please.
Oh, that's a Miata. That's a Miata. There are more.
Corolla.
That's a Corolla? I thought that was a Supra. Oh my god. Insane. Nice pop-up headlights. I want to check out those Miatas after.